Stop wasting your Saturday afternoons wrestling with server configurations and domain records just to send a single password reset link. It is the kind of soul-crushing task that drains your creative energy before you even get to the fun part of building your actual app. This is exactly where Resend steps in to change the game. It functions as a specialized digital mailman that handles all the heavy lifting for your website or application. Instead of getting bogged down in the technical weeds, you get to focus on your actual product. We are talking about the essential glue that holds a digital user experience together. Password resets, order confirmations, and those quick notifications that tell a user something important happened. It is built for developers who value their time above everything else. The onboarding process is shockingly fast. You sign up, grab a piece of code, and you are sending live emails before your coffee even gets cold. They have crafted these beautiful, simple guides for all the heavy hitters like Node, Python, Ruby, and PHP. There are no bizarre configurations or legacy hurdles to jump over. You just copy the snippets, paste them into your project, and move on with your day. If you are currently in the experimental phase or just launching a small side project, the free tier is a massive win. You get 3,000 emails per month without paying a single cent. This is not just a tiny trial. It is a legitimate amount of volume for a growing project. As your business starts to gain some real traction, the pricing remains very logical. $20 a month handles 50,000 emails, which covers a lot of ground for most growing startups. If you find yourself sending 100,000 messages, it moves to $90. For the giants out there sending millions, they have custom paths available as well. The dashboard itself feels like a breath of fresh air compared to the bloated enterprise tools of the past. It is clean, intuitive, and shows you exactly what is happening in real time. You can track every send and every open with a quick glance. A standout feature is the test mode. It allows you to run your code and verify your logic without actually triggering a real email to a customer. This prevents those embarrassing mistakes where a test message accidentally goes out to your entire user base. They also lean into React templates, which makes designing beautiful emails feel like writing modern code instead of wrestling with outdated layouts. The deliverability is top tier because they manage the technical infrastructure across multiple regions. This means your emails land in the inbox instead of the dreaded spam folder. There are a few trade-offs to keep in mind, of course. The free plan only keeps your email logs for 24 hours. If you need a long history to troubleshoot issues, you will need to step up to a paid plan. Also, this is strictly a transactional tool. It is not designed for big marketing blasts or newsletters. But at the end of the day, Resend does one thing, and it does it exceptionally well. It removes the friction from automated emails. It is simple, solid, and perfect for anyone who wants to stop worrying about mail servers and get back to building something great.